everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus. This is featured in brilliant black exterior color. Touring L Plus. It's got a very pretty sparkle in the brilliant black metallic paint. Of course, these all have the power sliding doors, stow and go seats, all the rear seat, second row seat will store into the floor itself. I'll open up this rear tailgate, but we've got to watch. Some of these are parked a little too close. This also has the S package on it. We're going to cheat and go over here to the window sticker, and I'll show you all the options this has. This window sticker is available for you to view on our website, sherrychrysler.com. Just find this vehicle, stock number 28597T, and down below the pictures you'll see view window sticker. Again, this has the S appearance package, which gives you those good looking, well, come over here, those good looking black wheels. It's the blackout package. This also has an advanced safety tech group, which gives you 360-degree surround view cameras, full speed forward collision warning, plus adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane departure warning, parallel and perpendicular park assist, and all your park sensors. This also, of course, being the 20L Plus, will give you heated steering wheel, heated front seats. This also has the Blu-ray rear entertainment system. Again, I invite you to go to our website, sherrychrysler.com. Find this on our website, and you can view all the options, see all the window sticker. Again, this is stock number 28597T, a brilliant black 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus. If you have any questions on this beautiful 2019 Chrysler Pacifica, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thanks for the opportunity. Have a beautiful day.